Hi my friends, summer holidays are soon approaching, so let me show you a demo on smart traveling using ChatGPT and Data Science. We will ask ChatGPT a question such as what are the top places to visit in Paris, and then based on the response we will plot the tourist locations on a Google map and at the same time also make an itinerary. And we will do all this without any coding. I'll be using ChatGPT and my platform experiencedatascience.com. The demo is available on my platform, so you can also try it out. Now let us jump in. Let me first start by asking a question to ChatGPT such as what are the top places to visit in Paris? ChatGPT with the power of generative AI is now giving me all the great places. I see Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, Notre Dame Cathedral, all these are on the top of the list. I also see Palais de Versailles and it also indicates that it is outside Paris. Champs-Élysées of course, and many other interesting places. In total it gives me a list of 10 places. Now, as most of the travelers, I would like to plot them on a map, and for which I will ask ChatGPT to give me a location of all these places. So let me ask, can you make a list of these places, latitude, longitude in a CSV format? Awesome, ChatGPT is already on the job and generating me data which I need. Now let me copy this data and head over to my demo platform experiencedatascience.com. On this platform, you can experience data science without any coding. So let me go ahead and select the experience location analytics. Let me add all the data which we got from ChatGPT using copy paste. I will paste the data. I will then convert into a tabular format and specify comma as a separator. Awesome. I see data now in tabular format and it has got 3 columns, the place, the latitude and the longitude. Now let me save this data and give it a name such as Paris tourist locations. Great, the data is now saved and I'm ready to make some analytics. I will now go back. I see my data set, so let me select it. I see 3 tabs: data, geospatial heat map and geospatial route analysis. So let me select the geospatial route analysis. Let me now select the latitude and the longitude field. Let me also select the place as the marker. I'll try to show all the places. And for the route, let me try to make the shortest route to visit all the places. And now let us run this thing. So in a while, I see all the markers which are nicely overlaid over the city of Paris. This is awesome. The markers are on the tourist locations such as Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, Notre Dame, Versailles, etc., etc. In addition, I also see a shortest route to visit all the places. And as per this route, I can start at Eiffel Tower, then move to Champs-Élysées, and then I go to Louvre Museum, and then follow the river Seine to Notre Dame Cathedral, and then head south to Catacombes de Paris, and then go north to Montmartre, and then finally visit the Château de Versailles. This is awesome. Try it out yourself, my friends, and become a smart traveler, and see you in the next video.